Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials right. Position your microphone 6 to 12 inches from your mouth and angle it slightly off-axis to reduce plosives. Once done, close windows and turn off noisy appliances to lower background noise. Soft furnishings absorb reflections. Next, set input gain low and speak at normal volume while watching levels. Raise until peaks reach about -6 decibels. This prevents clipping and keeps headroom, so your signal remains clear and natural. Now refine your sound with tone and dynamics. You apply a high-pass filter around 80 to 120 Hz to remove low-frequency rumble that muddies vocals. Then, make a small boost between 3 and 5 kHz to add presence and clarity, while cutting a bit around 2 to 400 Hz if the voice feels boxy. Once tone is pleasing, use light compression, about 2-to-1 ratio, fast-ish attack, medium release, to even levels without squat. Finish by cleaning sibilants and adding space. You insert a de-esser targeting 5 to 8 kHz to tame harsh S sounds while preserving brightness. Then add a subtle plate or room reverb with short pre-delay and a low wet mix, about 5 to 10% to keep the voice natural and forward. If issues continue, troubleshoot. Try another microphone, recheck gain staging, and isolate the noise source. This step-by-step elimination finds the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.